Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete watch history on YouTube. Now the first thing you have to do is go to YouTube. Now from here tap on this profile icon, then go to settings, and here you can see your data in YouTube. Then just tap here and give it a moment, and then scroll down. Here you can see YouTube watch history. Then just tap here, and after that scroll down, then go to manage history. And from here you can delete your watch history. You can delete your history one by one from here. Then just tap on this X icon and it's deleting now. Also, if you want to delete your all watch history, then just tap on delete, and after that select delete all time, then tap on delete, and it's done. Here you can see deletion complete. That means your YouTube watch history has been deleted successfully. And that is how you can delete watch history on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.